Let's look into question number 7 of exercise 7.1. The question reads that AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. So looking at the picture, we understand that AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. Midpoint means P is dividing the line segment AB equally into two portions. That means the distance from here to here, from here to here will be proportionate or equal. So that's why we have written as AP is equal to P. So let's write here as given AP is equal to BP. Why? Since P is the midpoint. Now question again reads that D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD is equal to its corresponding angle BABE. Looking at the picture itself, we understand that there are two triangles here, triangle ADP and triangle BEP. In these two triangles, angle BAD is equal to angle AB. Angle BAD, that means this angle is equal to angle ABE. So these two angles are equal. That's what they are, corresponding angles, then they are equal. So let's note it here. Angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Now again another pair of angles are equal. Angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Angle EPA, this angle is equal to angle DPB. So two pairs of angles have been found to be equal because they are corresponding to each other. So let's note it here. Angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. So now the question asks us to prove or show that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. That means triangle DAP has to be proved congruent to triangle EBP. For your understanding, I have drawn it in a different colors so that you will understand, you will be able to locate the triangles clearly from there. So the question is, how will we prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other? So for that, let's take this step. Angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Now before we go forward, we'll have to understand something. Now look at these two triangles, triangle DAP and triangle EBD. Now these two triangles are sharing a common angle, that is EPD. So angle EPD is a common angle shared by both the triangles here. So let us add that common angle to both the sides of this. So the step is add angle EPD on both the sides. So let's see what will happen when we add it. Angle EPA plus angle EPD is equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. So we have added the common angle EPD on both the sides here. So when we have added, we can note something here, that is, look at here, angle EPA, that is angle EPA, this angle, plus angle EPD, this angle. When we add these two angles, we get an angle DPA. So the addition of these two angles give us a bigger angle, that is this angle, DPA. Now look at this DPB, this one, and EPD. So these two angles are covering this much, so that is EPB. So the addition of these two angles give us a larger angle, that is EPB. Angle EPB. So let's consider it as equation 1. Now let's move to the given facts. Let's take this one. The idea that angle BAD is equal to angle ABB. Now let's put it as equation 2. Look at here, we have found out that angle DPA is equal to EPB. Angle DPA of triangle, this triangle is equal to angle EPB. These two angles are what we say, corresponding angles. Likewise, like these two angles are corresponding, these two angles are also corresponding angles. So we have proved that looking at equation 1 and 2, we have understood that two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Now, one more thing. The question says that already, just as we have noted in the beginning, since P is the midpoint of line segment AB, P is dividing the line segment equally into two portions, AP and PB. They are equal. That means this side is equal to this side. What are these two sides? These two sides are corresponding sides. So we can write as AP is equal to BP. Why are they equal? Because they are corresponding sides. Now we have to look at here. Here there is an angle, side, angle. So looking at itself, we can understand the kind of a role that is satisfied here. Looking at this, all these steps, we understand that these two triangles are satisfying the role of angle, side, angle, congruence rule. So since these two triangles are satisfying angle, side, angle, congruence rule, we can conclude and we can say that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. So the first portion has been now proved, and let's see how we can prove the second portion. The second portion is about, we'll have to prove that side AD is equal to B. We already know that corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are equal. That means we have now proved that these two triangles are congruent triangles. That means their corresponding sides are equal. AP is equal to PB. Why? These are corresponding sides. If corresponding sides, these two sides are equal and the triangles are congruent, we can easily say that these two sides, or this side must be equal to this side, and side AD must be equal to side B. Why? Because the corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are equal. So we can say, since triangles DAP and EBP are congruent. All their corresponding sides must be equal. Therefore, we can say that AD, side AD is equal to B. The reason is CPCT means corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are equal. So that's how we have solved the equation.